dear students, welcome you all in one mark solution. In this video, we are going to discuss about the one word questions and picture based question from chapter 3 money and credit for social science class 10th. You can follow the one mark solution on Instagram. You can follow us on the Facebook page as well as you can follow us on the Twitter, and you can contact on the onemarksolution.com. So, we are going to start one word and picture based questions, and if you want to explanation content for the same questions, you can visit the one mark solutions playlist social science for class 10, where you will get all the explanation of all the content. So the first question is, what is meant by the barter system? So barter system is in a barter system, goods are directly engaged without the use of money. What is an essential feature of barter system? The answer is double coincidence of wants. What a person desires to sell is exactly the other wishes to buy. What was used as money in India before the introduction of the coins? So Indians used grains and cattle as the money, which is known as the barter system. Currency is accepted as a medium of exchange. Why? Because the currency is authorized by the government of the country. Which institution issues currency notes in India? This is the Reserve Bank of India who produce the notes. Uh, 1 rupees note is produced by the Government of India, Ministry of Finance. What is a check? Check is a paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount from the person's account to the person in whose name the check has been issued. What is the main source of income of banks? Banks charge a higher interest rate on the loans and offer less on deposits. The difference between what is charged from borrowers and what is paid to the depositors is their main source of income. What is meant by credit? So credit refers to an agreement in which the lender supplies the borrower with money, goods or services in return for the promise of the future payment. What is meant by the collateral? So collateral is an asset that the borrower owns and uses this as a guarantee to a lender until the loan is repaid. What are the common examples of collateral? So the common examples of collateral are land, vehicle, livestock, etc. Why do banks or lender demands collateral against loans? If the borrower fails to repay the loan, the lender has the right to sell the assets or collateral to obtain the payment. Give two examples of formal sectors of credit, that is the bank and cooperatives, and self-help groups are also there. Land development banks are also there. Regional rural banks are also there. So there are so many banks which is the formal sectors of credit. Picture based question. This gold mohur was introduced first in which Mughal emperor's reign? That is Babur, Akbar, Shah Jahan, Jahangir. The correct answer is Akbar. And the next one is, what do we write in front of pay? Name of the bank in whose name the check has been issued, your own name, none of the above. So in whose name the check has been issued. So this is the one word and one word or one sentence, very short answer and picture based questions from chapter 3 money and credit social science economics class 10th. If you like the video, share the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. You can follow us on Twitter, you can follow us on Instagram, you can follow us on uh, Facebook groups, and you can also visit to www.onemarksolution.com for more information. If you want explanation of all the questions, you can visit the One Mark Solutions YouTube channel playlist, Class 10 Social Science. Thank you so much.